Dear students, hope you all are doing good at home. Today I came to you with a grammar test. This test will be based on nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, and tenses. Take a pen and paper to know the score you got. So let's begin the video. Question number 1. She dashed the letter for her father yesterday. Write, wrote, writes, writing. Your time starts now. You have 7 seconds. The answer is wrote. It is in past tense, so the second form of verb will be coming. Second question. The books on the shelf kept neat and clean. Is, are, will. The answer is are. Remember, this is a passive voice sentence. Question number 3. Radhi has a dash doll. Two dozen pretty that. The answer is pretty. This is adjective of quality. Fourth question. It is based on the type of adverb. Twinkle dances gracefully. I hope you read it. The answer is adverb of manner. How does Twinkle dance? Question number 5. It is based on the type of adjectives. Leela is writing her answers neat and clean. Yes, your time is up. The answer is adjective of quality. Next question. Ravi dashed a snake while he was going to the market. See, so, see. D option will see. The answer is so. It is simple past tense. So here one is progressive past tense and one is simple indefinite tense. Question number 7. Children dash in the ground when it rained heavily. The answer is were playing. Same as the question number 6. Question number 8. I have lost my watch. I searched it everywhere. I have underlined everywhere. This is also a type of adverb. The answer is adverb of place. Where did you search it? Question number 9. Find the nouns from the sentence. Anamika is famous for her beauty. From this sentence, you have to find the noun. Famous, Anamika and famous, Anamika and beauty, only beauty. The answer is Anamika and beauty. Both are nouns. Question number 10. Use the past perfect tense of the verb bring. She dash me a soft, beautiful doll. The answer is had brought. Here don't be confused, has brought, because we have asked that to use past perfect tense. So had plus verb third form will be coming. Hope you enjoyed video and test. Tell me a score through your comments. If you score more than 7, you are quite wonderful. Thank you so much. Next video will be coming soon. Subscribe our channel Treasure Vents. Like and share our videos. Thank you.